Welcome to Bangkok, Thailand with BangkokAndMore.
Hello, my friend.
Welcome to Khaosan Road, one of the most famous streets here in Bangkok, Thailand. I came here before the lockdown and the street was completely destroyed, but during the lockdown the city has rebuilt it, which is a huge plus. Of course, there are no tourists at the moment, everything is empty, even Burger King over there is closed, and I had almost no reason to come here apart the fact that I'm gonna meet Bangkok and more. At the moment there are two places open. One is called Rocco, like the Italian name of one actor, Rocco Siffredi, which you shouldn't check on Google if you are underage. And the other place open is Mulligan's Irish bar. Okay, I think it's not really open. They're shooting a movie scene, an interview, something, so there is nobody serving. I came here with Reporterfy Media, Alex.
This city has combined with Metro about 25 million people, and there's 10 cars on the road. It's very strange.
That's incredible. Anyway, during that little walk, we had the possibility to interview one of the people working on the street.
What is that?
It's this one? It's
for the
microphone.
fever check? No. Oh, camera.
No, not fever. Wanna check the fever?
Yeah.
You okay? I don't know. It's becoming red to the camera. Are you sure? No, you're very hot.
How bad is it down here?
Bed over here.
In Khao San Road.
This is the down, much down.
Yeah.
But in next week, we'll see. I think no tourists around here.
None.
No tourists next week.
Next week.
Okay.
Which is I'm staying in this road, and then I asked everyone like information a little bit.
Yeah.
Everyone saying go day after tomorrow and go tomorrow. This
Okay.
only people I met, most of them.
Everybody's leaving.
Everybody's leaving Khaosan Road. Okay.
And what I also think is 1 week is too slow, and after the 2 weeks becomes boom than the year before.
Really? You
This
say
area.
in 2 weeks? We do have to hope that you're right. Like,
hope you're right,
if
man.
you're right, you're gonna make lots of money.
Okay, good to see you, man.
Thank you.
Yes.
Nice to see you.
You
Good
Canada,
luck,
Italia.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye. And this guy was saying that, yeah, Bangkok is gonna close, but just for 2 weeks. That's what he said in interview. In 2 weeks, the street is gonna be back to normal. But of course, it didn't happen. Since March, we are in July, so March, April, May. Am I missing any months? June. So it's like 4 months since the last time there were really tourists over here. And by the way, today it is the 1st of July. Actually the first day that all these places they can be legally open. But they have to follow so many strict rules so that most places they decided to not open. Sometimes following rules, when exaggerated, will bring you huge fines anyway, and the other problem is how can you pay your whole staff if there are no customers. Emptiness everywhere. We got people documenting the situation. Emptiness. We have no idea if the police closed this place or who knows, guys. Do you think the police came to check or came to make a video for the TV? Because the situation is so weird. There are so many rules that could be broken like in half a second. So we don't really know. Maybe the police came with the TV and maybe nothing happened. I don't know. The eggs are colored, so they understand what they need to cook at the moment. They are salted. Salty eggs. This is a rice soup. Welcome to Bangkok, Thailand with BangkokAndMore.
Hello, my friend.
And you just suggested me this, what are we eating?
Yeah, this rice soup is very popular here in Khao San area with fresh, soft egg inside, and pork meatballs. Fantastic. If
Fantastic.
you come to Soirambutri here, you have to go to this food stall and try this one. Now we have green onions and what is it, ginger? Ginger.
Ginger, yes. And we're gonna add
spice it a little bit up.
perfect. This one is sugar or salt? Because I'm always confused. Sugar.
Sugar.
They add the sugar everywhere.
It's very hard to find salt.
It's very hard. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. So you mix everything and then.
So this is my style of. If you need salt, then you take the fish sauce.
Do you like the fish sauce or?
Not really.
Not really. Yes. It's not a thing for foreigners. Usually the fish sauce. Yes.
They don't use salt. Instead of salt, they are using.
Okay. Now I get it. You see, finally I'm eating with someone that knows the food. That's a different experience. Okay, let me add some of these things. In Germany, do they eat spicy people or not really?
Not really.
So did you learn it here or?
Yeah. I ate a lot of spice food, but the German normally don't.
The German totally don't.
Maybe spicy currywurst or.
I think it might be your Italian blood. Where are you from exactly in Italy?
Torino.
Torino, right? Yeah. Now I remember stuff you already told me. I'm still young and I'm already forgetting things.
Ma nato a Germania.
Nato in Germania. After a huge mix, pork, egg, and the rice. Let's try. It's definitely rice, and reminds me of something I ate in Poland actually, but without spices. Maybe when you're sick in Poland, they make you eat rice like that. The meat is the most complicated part. A little bowl.
I like the mouse. The meatball.
Now I'm feeling also the spiciness, but it's good. I suggested, and that's it for now. There is some life tonight. The little hidden street to Khaosan Road. Super artistic.
Normally shops on both sides, and here is discotheque, tattoo, piercing, and here's a discotheque.
Okay, we can see that the discotheque, the tattoos and piercing and massage, everything is closed. Okay. The clubs are closing. We have no idea what time it is, but the clubs are closing. Even if it is the 1st of July and everything is allowed to be open, the clubs are closing. They are closing the clubs, right?
This is Thailand. Welcome to Thailand.
Welcome to Thailand. Everything is closing. It wasn't supposed to be closing, but everything is closing.
Hey, shit!
I have no idea what's going on.
Okay.
So we are changing club somehow, and I have no idea where we're going, what we're doing. It's all good, but there are many people on the streets. Hello! What? You don't like my belly button? I think I was shooting in slow motion, but it's all good. Where are they bringing Bangkok and more? I have no idea. Somebody cup. We're trying to understand where to go to party. Not sure if it's gonna work. So we are trusting this guy to go somewhere. We're not really sure where. All good?
I'm not sure.
I actually wasn't filming before. I thought I was filming, but I wasn't filming. Anyway, we are trying to find a place where to drink.
Non lo so dove.
This guy said that he knows where to drink. Here is his girlfriend. I have no idea if he really knows. We'll find out.
Today it's now because it's police.
Today there is no party because of the police. That's as much as I can tell you. Hello, how are you? How are you doing?
I'm okay.
Well, we're doing a vlog
Okay, friends,
for YouTube. All good?
we need to go inside,
Hey,
right?
sorry. Hey, come.
Let's go.
Have the party. It's 4 o'clock.
Okay, let's find the party. Thank you.
Come, yeah, come.
We ended up inside the hotel. I have no idea where we are going.
Come.
Come. Let's go, let's go.
You come, you. Hello. Goodbye.
Is it a hotel or a club?
You look okay.
You look okay.
Yeah, okay. I look.
มันต้องมีที่ลึกลับใช่ไหม
It's
มันต้องมีที่ลึกลับใช่ไหม
It's for 6.
Oh, we need to go to the rooftop, right? Because it's
We are going on the top.
yeah. Oh, there is a rooftop. Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh my god.
Sawadee krap. How are you? Wow, this is unbelievable. There is a rooftop. Maybe not so legal.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe. Should I stop the film?
Never know.
Okay. Apparently we got the table from someone. Okay. It's all good. Hello? 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 Say hi to the camera.
I think we are happy, but
Something wrong.
careful.
Yeah, careful.
Be careful.
Because there is something wrong. We need to be careful because we have no idea why they offered us drinks. Maybe they have some bad ideas in mind. I don't know.
Hope so.